Hello, I'm Oliver. I'm 13 years old and I live in Asturias, Spain. The sport that I do is swimming. Ya está. No.
Hello, my name is Yara. I have 14 years old and I live here in Pola de Siero in Asturias, Spain. My favorite hobby is to watch anime or Japanese series.
Dirty thoughts about you, they get worse when I'm without you. Does that mean
Hi guys, I'm Carlota
And I am Lucia, and we
and we are 13 years old. I live in a little town called Hotel.
and I live in another small town called Feleches, both in Asturias.
And in Spain. I practice volleyball in Club Volleyball Siero.
And I go to dance classes.
Bye guys!
I'm Sefi,
I'm Covadonga,
and we study in the high school Juan de Villanueva. We are 13 years old.
and we live in Collado Siero.
I used to practice a lot of sports, but now I only practice dance and athletics.
And I only practice handball.
I practice dance and athletics because I really like it and I think I do it very well.
I practice handball because I think it's very interesting.
Bye guys! Thank you for watching.
And see you soon.
Hello, I'm Julem. I have 13 years old and I live in Pola de Siero. I play football and I study in the ES Escultor Juan de Villanueva. Follow on my Instagram, please.
Hello, my name is Simon. I'm 13 years old and I live in Asturias, Spain. At this moment, I don't practice any sport, but a few years ago, I played basketball and danced in an academy. Well, here, my presentation finishes.
Hello, my name is Alba. I'm 13 years old and I live in Asturias, a region from Spain. I play handball because for me it's a good form of meet friends and meet new people. This was my presentation. I hope you like it. Bye.
Hello, my name is Gana. I'm 13 years old and I live in Asturias. I'm based from Spain. I practice handball like Alba, and I practice because I think it's a good form to play soccer. This was my presentation and I hope you like it. Hello, my name is Manuel. I am 13 years old and I practice it.
Hi, my name is Olaya and I practice swimming.
Hi, my name is Julia and I practice volley.
Hello, my name is Hugo. I am 13 years old and I live in Asturias, Spain. At this moment I don't practice any sport, but my favorite sport is football. My hobby is to look after animals. Well, here my presentation finishes. Goodbye.
Hello, my name is Nerea and my name is Laura. We are 13 years old. My favorite sport is dance and I practice and I love it.
I live in Lieres, that is a village of Asturias.
I live in Munco, that is a village of Asturias.
I live in Lieres, that I live of Trujillo.
Hello, I'm Ethan. I'm 13 years old and I'm from Pola de Siero, which is a small city in Asturias, Spain. My favorite sport is football and I liked it because when I was a child I saw a match on TV and I liked it. This is me, bye!
Hello, I'm Martin. I am 13 years old and I am also from Pola de Siero. My favorite sport is basketball and I've been playing it since I was 3. I started playing it because my friends and I wanted to play all together a sport and we chose basketball. This is me.